Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. And as of right now, that means the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market. Yes, I did go. And I talked to a friend of mine who's a vendor, and she told me that the farmers market is going to extend a few more weeks into October because some of the growers are having a really good growing season. Bonus. All right. Last night, I cooked Thai basil beef rolls. I said wraps yesterday, but the recipe actually says rolls. They were a fancy taco. All right, let's just say that. The pictures are very deceiving because there's so much wonderful Thai basil and cilantro on top. It just looked like a green. It was very yummy. It was very nice. Just a little bit of spice, not a lot. I will get the recipe up. Tonight, I am not cooking. The Oakland Coliseum is cooking for Robin and I tonight. We are going to the A's game. They're playing the Yankees. Robin got us tickets through the union. So, yeah, we went to the Giants earlier this year. Now we're going to the A's. And next year, if we go to the A's, we just go to Sacramento. All right, so I'm not cooking, which is fine. But let me show you what I got from the farmer's market. All right, I know it's September. I know it's the end of September, but I'm already thinking the T word. Or actually, it's two words. TD, not touchdown. I got some wonderful butternut squash. I asked the grower, how long can I keep these on hand? 4 to 6 months. Yes, I got a great deal on these, and they look great. Got some baby bok choy. I'm really falling in love with this fresh, wonderful vegetable. I've used it in a lot of different things. Plus, I needed to kind of bump up my bill from this particular grower because I use my ATM card. Also from that grower, these beautiful little yellow squash. I like to use these in conjunction with other things. And these are new to this kitchen. These are Oppo, O-P-O, squash, also known as calabash or bottle gourd. These are babies. These are small. So, from what I understand, the Oppo is a little sweet on the younger side. And you can use it in soups, stews, stir fries. There's several ways to do it. Commonly known in Asian cuisine, but it's also grown all over the world. As you can see, I didn't get much this week because my menu this week really didn't call for a lot of fresh vegetables. I know, bad. But tomorrow, I'll be using a portion of this, and I still have mushrooms, my shiitakes from Corey. I still have a bunch of those left over from last week. I overbought. Luckily, Corey taught me how to store my mushrooms. Yeah. So, and still have green onions from last week, from the Young family, where the opals came from. And so I still have that fresh vegetables, in the cold box. Yeah. All right. And this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.